Now see the terms which are common. A square minus a. So a square minus a, limit n tends to infinity 3 by n times a square minus a. Now 2a minus 1 into h. Terms of h, take 2a minus 1 into h common. Here we left with 1, 2 and so on up to n minus 1. Now terms of h square. Here we left with 1, 4 is 2 square, so on up to n minus 1 square. Now apply the formulas for sum of n minus 1 terms of AP and sum of squares of n minus 1 terms of AP. Limit n tends to infinity, n a square minus a upon n, 2a minus 1 upon h, and h is 3 by n. Sum of n minus 1 terms is n minus 1 into 2, h square 9 by n square into n minus 1, 2n minus 1 by 6. Limit n tends to infinity, 3, a square is 1, 1 square minus 1, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1 upon n into 3 by 2, take n common, 1 minus 1 by n, 3 by 2, n square, n common, 1 minus 1 by n, 2 minus 1 by n. Put the limit n tends to infinity, 0 plus 3 by 2, 1 minus 0, 3 by 2, 1 minus 0, 2 minus 0. 3 into 3 by 2, 6 by 2. 3 into 3 plus 3 by 2. 3 into 2, 6. Plus 3, 9, 3 into 9 by 2, 27 by 2. Now the next one is is integral of 0 to 1 3x square plus 5x. Try it for yourself. It's as answer is 7/2. Now the next one is limit 0 to 2, integral of 0 to 2 ex dx. Integral of 0 to 2 ex dx. H is b minus a upon n, 2 by n. F of x is ex. F of a is ea. F of a plus h, e power a into e power h. F of a plus 2h. अगर पावर सम में है तो we can write it in products because we have a formula for xa into xb, xa plus b. अब हमारे पास इस टाइप में है तो हम इन्हें प्रोडक्ट में लिख सकते हैं. So on up to f of a plus n minus 1 into h, e power a plus n minus 1 into h, e n minus 1 into h. When the function is in of exponential form, then the formula will be same. Here we use limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, h, f of a plus h, ea, e2h, so on up to. Now e power a is common in all. 1 plus eh plus e2h, en minus 1 into h. Now it is a GP with first term 1 and common ratio e power h. What is the common ratio? A2 upon A1. EH upon 1, that is EH. So sum of n minus 1 terms of GP is A R n minus 1 upon R minus 1. A into, what is A is 1, common ratio is H, n minus 1, EH minus 1. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, h, ea, nh minus 1, eh minus 1. Limit h tends to 0, ea is 0, nh is 2, EH minus 1 upon h. जो हमारे पास h था हम इसे डिनोमिनेटर में ले आए. ऊपर वाली टर्म में कोई भी h की टर्म नहीं है तो हम लिमिट्स यहाँ लगा देंगे. लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, EH minus 1 upon h is equals to 1. So e power 0 is 1, e square minus 1 upon 1, e square minus 1. next one is integral of e to x dx. Limit is a to b. Limit is a to b at e power x dx. H is b minus a upon n. Function is same, so f of a plus h, a plus 2h, so on up to a plus n minus 1 into h will remain same. Now the limits are different, so in the next step when we put the limits, यहाँ तक questions as it is होगा. Now limit h tends to 0, h e a e nh minus 1 upon eh minus 1. Limit h tends to 0, ea, nh is b minus a minus 1, eh minus 1 upon h. Limit h tends to 0. Limit h tends to 0, eh minus 1 upon h is equals to 1. ea, b minus a minus 1. Multiply e power b minus e power a. E power b minus e power a. Note it down. Now the next one is integral of a to b cos x dx. Integral of a to b cos x dx. H is b minus a upon n, so nh is b minus a. जब हमने फॉर्मूलाज किए थे स्टार्टिंग में, तो हमने cos के लिए भी फॉर्मूला लिखा था. लिमिट h टेंड्स टू 0, h f of a cos a plus h cos a plus h cos of a plus 2h, so on up to cos of a plus n minus 1 into h. अगर हमारे पास ये टर्म आती है तो हमने इसके लिए फॉर्मूला लिखा था cos of a plus n minus 1 by 2 into h sin nh by 2 upon sin h by 2. Here sin के साथ हमारे पास वैल्यू h by 2, so we multiply and divide here by 2. Limit h tends to 0, 2 into h 2 cos of a plus nh by 2 minus h by 2 upon h by 2. Limit h tends to 0, sin h upon cos upon h is equals to 1. So 2 cos of a plus nh is b minus a by 2. Here put the limit h tends to 0. So h by 2 0. nh is b minus a by 2. 2 cos 2a minus a plus b by 2 sin b minus a by 2. 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b is equals to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Apply this formula here. 2 cos a cos b sin b is 2 sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Take the LCM in the next step. Sin of a sin sin 2b upon 2 sin b 2a upon 2a. So get the answer as sin b minus sin a. Now the next one is integral of sin x dx. Limit is 0 to pi by 2. H is b minus a upon n pi upon 2n, or nh is pi by 2. Limit h tends to 0, f of a sin a plus h plus sin a plus 2h, so on up to sin a plus n minus 1 into h. Now we also have the formula for sin. Limit h tends to 0, h sin a plus n minus 1 by 2h sin nh by 2 upon sin h by 2. Here h by 2, so multiply and divide by 2 here. Limit h tends to 0, 2 sin a plus nh by 2 minus h by 2 sin nh by 2 sin h by 2 upon h by 2. Now put the limit h tends to 0. 2 sin a plus nh is pi by 2 into sin nh is pi by 2 upon 1. What is the value of a? A is 0. sin pi by 2, sin pi by 4. Now 2 sin A sin B is equals to cos A minus B, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. By taking LCM, cos pi by 4 minus cos 3 pi by 4. Here we have NH by 2. So pi by 4, pi by 4. साइन सिंपल भी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. साइन स्क्वायर पाई बाय 4. साइन पाई बाय 4 इज 1 by root 2. 1.2, that is 1.